Welcome you everybody in my class again, dear friends. I'm Nikhil BISWAS, a teacher of Kushtia High School in English. Okay. So welcome again to my presentation, my dear friends. Oh, person identity of the presenter and class. Okay, I'm Nikhil BISWAS. Okay, let's enjoy. I like to start the class with a video. So please let's enjoy.
Solid এইসব ভাগ
Okay, what is the video about? Can you tell me what is the video about? Yeah, it's about environment. Okay, fine. It's about environment. Okay, I'll show you now some pictures here. Look at the pictures. There's two pictures here. Look at the first one and the second one. What about the first one? Yes, it's clean environment. Okay, look at this first picture. You will see all the things are neat and tidy. Okay, neat and clean. And what about the second picture? Yeah, that is polluted environment. You can see. Okay, fine. Why? Why? What's the case? Let us see in a let us see let us see in a passage. Okay, there's a passage here. Look at it. Environment is a combination of house, trees, animals, roads, rivers, and institutions, air, water, soil, and so on. Among all these, air, water, and soil are the main elements of the environment. But the environment is becoming a great threat because of environmental pollution. There are so many reasons of environmental pollution. Firstly, we burn fuels that create smoke, and the smoke is mixed with air. And secondly, we are cutting plants and killing animals indiscriminately. The plants are called the factory of receiving carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Water pollution is another problem that we are facing nowadays. Sea and river water is being polluted by industrial waste thrown in it. Pesticides and chemical fertilizers used by farmers are washed away by rainwater and mixed with river and pond water. So, existence of aquatic animals and plants is becoming risky. Soil is polluted by the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. The polybags mix up with soil and destroy its fertility. As a result, plants and crops are not growing well. All this causes a serious negative effect on our existence. So, it's high time we took proper measures to stop pollution and save our environment. In order to stop pollution, we should take some measures. We should control the burning of fuels, stop cutting trees at random, planting more trees regularly, use natural fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer. and stop throwing waste materials in the rivers and canals. And after all, we should keep our environment clean. If we can do so, we are sure to ensure a happy and peaceful environment. Okay? So, our today's lesson is a paragraph. Okay, it's a writing section. So, we will do something how we can develop our writing skill. Okay, if we practice writing every day, then your writing skill will be developed. So if you want to get development in your writing skill, you must have to write something almost every day. Okay, on any topics. Okay, no problem. Our today's lesson is a paragraph. Okay, and what is that paragraph? Environment, environmental pollution, environment pollution. Okay, okay. So you can guess what is environment. First of all, you have to answer this question: what is environment? Already you have got this answer in from the passage. What is environment? Environment is a combination of. Look at the pictures. Environment is a combination of houses, trees, animals, roads, institutions, air, and rivers, soil, and water. Okay, and so on. Which elements are important among them? Can you see? Which elements are important among them? Okay, look at it. Among them, air, among them, air, water, and soil are the most important thing. Okay, so you have to remember these three things: air, water, soil. Air, water, soil are the main elements of the environment. Okay, so you must have to keep it in memory. What are the which elements are most important among these? Okay, air, water, soil are the main elements of the environment. Okay, what is the condition of the environment now? What is the condition? Yes, look at the pictures. What is the condition of the environment now? Yeah, look at it. The condition of the environment is not at all good because of environmental pollution. Have you noticed? Look at the pictures. Okay, the conditions of the environment is not at all good because of environmental pollution. Why? Why? What's the cause behind it? Yeah, there are so many reasons of environmental pollution. Okay, so you have to find out those causes. Okay, what are the reasons? There are so many reasons of environmental pollution, you know. Okay, look at the pictures. Okay, firstly, we burn fuels. Okay, can you see it in the picture? Yes. Firstly, we burn fuels that creates smoke, and the smoke is mixed with air, and air is polluted. Have you noticed it? Yes, in the picture you can see it easily. Okay. Now look at the picture. What is happening here? Yeah. Secondly, we are cutting trees and killing animals indiscriminately. We are cutting trees and killing animals indiscriminately. Have you noticed it? Okay. And what about the next picture? The plants are called the factory of receiving carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Yes. Yes. Okay, what about the pictures? Look at it. Water pollution is another problem that we are facing now. Look at the pictures. Water pollution. Okay, how the water is being polluted. Water pollution is another problem that we are facing now. Sea and river water is being polluted by industrial waste thrown in it. Have you noticed it in the picture? Yeah, look at the picture. How water is being polluted. Yeah, water is being polluted by industrial waste thrown in the rivers and the sea, the canals, etc., etc. Okay, proceed on to the next one. Okay, look at the picture again. What can you see? Using pesticides and fertilizers. Okay, so look at the Pesticides and chemical fertilizers used by the farmers are washed away by water and mixed with river and polluted water. Pesticides and chemical fertilizers used by the farmers are washed away by rain, and it is being mixed with river and pond water. Okay. So what is happening here? So existence of aquatic animals and plants is becoming risky. Look at the picture. What can we say? Aquatic animals and plants is becoming risky. So existence of aquatic animals and plants is becoming risky. I will notice it. Look at the next picture. Yeah, the polybags mix up with soil and destroy its fertility. As a result, plants and crops can't grow oil. As a result, plants and crops cannot grow oil. Okay. So, what do this cause? What do this cause? What cause? All this causes a serious negative impact on our existence, isn't it? All this cause a serious negative impact on our existence. So, in order to stop pollution, we must have to take some measures. Okay, if we want to stop this pollution, we must have to take some measures. We should control the burning of, yes, burning of fuels. We should control the burning. We should control the burning of fuels. Stop cutting trees at random. Okay, and we must have to plant more trees regularly. We have to use more trees regularly. Look at the pictures and you can easily guess, okay, what we should do to stop. Okay, in the picture, we must have to use natural fertilizers. Have you noticed it in the picture? It's natural fertilizer. So we have to use natural fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers. Okay, and we must not throw our waste into rivers or canals or somewhere. We must have to stop throwing waste materials in the rivers and canals. Okay. Okay. And after all, we should keep our environment clean. Any okay, by any means, we must have to keep our environment clean if we want to keep us in safe environment. If we can do so, we are sure to ensure a happy and peaceful environment. Okay, you have noticed it. If we can do so, we are sure to ensure a happy and peaceful environment. Okay, okay. So you have got all the techniques to write a paragraph. Okay. So what about the paragraph? What is the title of the paragraph? Environment pollution. So in that case, you have to think over what is the environment and how it is being polluted, and what is the effect. Okay, if the environment becomes polluted, what is the effect of that thing? Yeah, it's very risky for everybody, for everything. Okay, on this surface. So we must have to stop all these things. So what are the measures we should do to stop pollution? You have to think about these things. Already you have got all these three stages. Okay, what are the things you have to do? Okay, so brother, I like to invite you everybody to write a paragraph on environmental pollution by yourself. Okay, please don't try to uh, memorize it from any grammar book or from any reference book. Okay, you will try your level best to do all these things by yourself. You have to think over the matter and then you will develop it. Okay, then you will see that it's very easy for you to compose anything on any topics. Okay, okay, brother, I like to thank you all. Okay, thank you so much, my friends.